Hi children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today our revision assignment is chapter 2 addition. You can refer exercise 6. Coming to first one. On Saturday 1050 people went to a book fair. On Sunday 1608 people went to the book fair. How many people went to the book fair over 2 days? So already we know number of people went to on Saturday and number of people went to book fair on Sunday. So we can calculate total number of people went to book fair. So on Saturday 1050 and on Sunday 1608 people. Now add the given two numbers. So two number of people 2 days. 0 plus 8 8, 5 plus 0 is 5, 0 plus 6 is 6, 1 plus 1 is 2. So we get 2658. So the total number of people went to book fair is 2658. Which is the correct option? Option 1. Required option is 1. Next one. There are 1327 girls in a school. There are 894 more boys than the girls in the school. How many boys are there in the school? So already we know here the number of girls in the school. And how many more boys are there than the girls also we know. Then we can calculate number of boys in the school. So how did you calculate? Just we have to add number of girls and here more number of boys. We will get the number of boys. See here 1327 plus 894. Now while adding 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 regroup it. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now we get 2221. So 2221 boys are there in the school. Which is the correct option? Option 2. Next one. There are 1327 girls in a school. There are 894 more boys than the girls in the school. How many students are there in all? Just now we have calculated number of boys in the school in second problem. And coming to we have to calculate total number of students in a school. How did you calculate that? That is number of girls and total number of boys. Just already we calculated here number of boys. How many are there? 2221. And number of girls are 1327. Now add 1 plus 7 is 8, 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 3 is 5, 2 plus 1 is 3. So we get 3548. 3548 total number of students are there in the school. Which is the correct option from that? That is option 1. Required option is 1. Next, Rohit spent rupees 1467 in January. He spent rupees 2310 rupees in February. How much did he spend in both the months altogether? So how much money spent both together we have to calculate. So for that which operation we have to use addition. So money spent in January is 1467 and money spent in February is 2310 rupees. If you add total money, how much money he spent by Rohit, you will get 7 plus 0 is 7, 6 plus 1 7, 4 plus 3 7, 1 plus 2 3. So total money spent by Rohit is 3777. Which is the correct option, children? Option 2. Next one. A fruit seller has 1312 mangoes and 149 apples. How many fruits does he have in all? In all means we have to do the addition. So number of mangoes are 1312. Number of apples are 149. Sorry, 149. So we have to calculate total number of fruits. Means we have to add 1312 plus 149. So add 2 plus 9 is 11. 1. Here 1 we group it. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. And here 1. Because we have only one number in thousands place. So we get total number of fruits. How many are there? 1461. Which is the correct option? Option 3. Next one. A total of 2376 males and 3924 females visited the Kingdom of Dreams last Sunday. Find the sum of people who visited the place on Sunday. So already you know the female number of females and the number of males visitors. Okay. So if you add female visitors and male visitors, will get the total number of visitors. What is the male visitors? That is 2376. What is the female visitors? 3924. 3924. So we have to calculate sum of people. So just we have to add both the numbers. 6 plus 4 is 10. 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. We get 6300. So total number of people were visited the Kingdom of Dreams is 6300. The required option is 2. Next one. On Saturday, 1232 people attended a concert. On Sunday, 2754 people attended the same concert. How many people attended the concert over 2 days? So what we have to do on Sunday? On Saturday, number of people who are visited already we know, and Sunday also we know. So we have to add. We have to add both the days number of people who are visited. So on Saturday number of people are 1232. On Sunday is 2754. Now add two numbers. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 5 is 8. 2 plus 7 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. We get 3986 people were attended the concert over 2 days. So what is the required option? Option 4, 3986. Required option is 4. Next one. 1569 passengers are flying to Sri Lanka. Okay, how many number of people were flying to Sri Lanka? 1569. The number of passengers flying to Maldives is 72 more than the passengers flying to Sri Lanka. How many passengers are flying to Maldives? So here already we know number of people were flying to Sri Lanka and how many more number of people were flying to Maldives. So you can calculate total number of people flying to Maldives. So just we have to add number of passengers flying to Sri Lanka and how many more number of passengers flying to Sri Lanka. We have to add 1569 plus 72. Now add 9 plus 2 is 11. So 1 here, 1 we group it. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 4 here, 1 we group it. 1 plus 5 is 6 and here 1. Now 1641 people means were passengers were flying to Maldives. So the required option is 1. Next one. 2222 plus 1111 equal to dash. Just very easy. Just we are adding 2 plus 1 means 3. Again 2 plus 1. Again 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. So we get here 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 3, 3. We get 3333. Which is the correct option, children? Option 2. Next one. 2424 plus 5178 equal to dash. So we have to add the given numbers. What are the given numbers? 2424 plus 5178. Add the numbers. 4 plus 8 is how much? 12. 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 plus 5 is 7. So total sum is 7602. What is the total? 7602. Which is the correct option? Option 1. So the required option is 1. Got it, children? Once again practice all sums. Thank you.